Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at the latest developer survey from IDE maker JetBrains. Let's jump into it. All right, so right off the bat, I just want to say up front, I don't think any of these developer surveys are in any way scientific, and perhaps this one most of all, as they seem to do some sort of complex weighting with the data to supposedly remove bias. I really don't have any idea if that's a valid method or not, but yet I still find these things interesting, and there's a couple worth pointing out on this one. First, they make the claim that PHP, Ruby, and Objective-C are in long-term decline. Honestly, hearing that about Ruby hurts my soul a little bit. I really like Ruby, but I have to admit that I haven't used it in close to a decade, so I guess I'm part of the problem here and a part of this decline that the survey mentions, which is unfortunate. I've also used Objective-C in the past, and I like it as well. However, its decline is understandable as Apple is pushing Swift over Objective-C these days. And PHP, well, if you don't have anything nice to say, sometimes it's better to say nothing. Second, they report that 85% of respondents claim they use AI for development tasks. While 85% is quite high, I wonder about that 15% that isn't using AI. Are they perhaps using more obscure languages for which AI is not well suited? Or perhaps these are the absolute alpha developers out there that feel that AI actually degrades their productivity? There have been studies published that claim that AI actually makes developers less productive. So maybe that 15% is holding out because they don't see the productivity benefits. And lastly, I find it somewhat unfortunate that 68% of respondents said they expect that AI proficiency will become a job requirement. I don't think that's a good thing. I think developers should be able to use whatever tools they want in order to get the job done, and AI is a tool that developers should have the freedom to take or leave. Now, it may become a de facto requirement if AI gets to the point that it's virtually impossible for non-AI using developers to keep up with the productivity of AI users. Then I suppose AI proficiency as a job requirement would make more sense, and we may get there someday. But right now, I don't think we can say with certainty that all AI using developers are more productive than non-AI using developers. But that's a very debatable point, so if you have an opinion on that, please drop it in the comments below. But I'll leave this one here for now. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.